2023, and we have Tuulimyllyntie, Verklandsvägen 2, staircase F, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just built the staircase G. So we'll also go to the staircases A, B, C, D, and E here. This was built in 1966 by Kone with 6 pictures, turn 55, so 2021. Gonna be inspected in 2025. I love the shaft here. It's really beautiful. I believe this could be from the beginning of 1966. The number is H14042 here in Myllypuro, Landvecken, in Itä-Helsinki, Öster-Helsingfors, East Helsinki, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Helsinki, and Finland. Let's take 2 rides here. Look at that. It should be 3, not 8 persons.
Yeah.
Wouldn't fit in here. It wouldn't be possible.
Yeah.
You would need to place them, stack the people here.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Sheila.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.